I thought you might like a quick review on how to create dates in Latin so that you can help get yourself some extra credit on quizzes and tests in your future. To start, let's go over the fact that there are 12 months in the year, and they have very similar titles to what our current months have. And you'll notice that they're all listed here as adjectives with certain endings, and the endings indicate what type of declension endings we're going to use. So Januarius, and related words are part of the first and second declension, whereas Aprilis is part of the third declension. Now, you're also going to notice that there are 4 months that are starred, and we use a mnemonic device, Julius, May, March, in October, to remember what those months are. And the reason that they're starred is because they are considered long months, which essentially means that the special days fall on different days of the month during a long month. So Julius, May, March, in October. The 3 dates in English we would say as the calends, which is always going to be the first of the month, the nones, which will be the 5th of the month in a regular month, the 7th in a long month, the ides, which are the 13th in the month, or the 15th when it's a long month. In Latin, those dates appear as calendae aurum, which means it's a first declension noun, nonae nonarum, another first declension noun, and idus iduum, which is a fourth declension noun. You might also note that all of these dates are feminine. So when you're on the day itself, you are in ablative land. So if you're on the first of the month, if you're on February 1st, you're at calendis Februaris. If you're on the 1st of April, it's calendis Aprilibus. The 1st of June, calendis Junius. The 1st of October, calendis Octobribus. If you're on either the 5th or the 7th, depending on what month you're in, you're on the nones, which means you're using ablative. Nonis Januariis, nonis Maiis, nonis Septembribus, nonis Decembribus. If you're on the 13th or the 15th, again, you're using the ablative case to express the ides. Idibus Martiis, idibus Juliis, idibus Augustis, and idibus Novembribus. But if you're not on one of those 3 dates, you have to use the accusative case to express that you're not there yet. And it's a pretty simple equation that starts with ante diem, or AD. Then it requires some counting on your part. You have to start on the day that you want to get to and count backwards. But the day that you want to get to counts as one, and the day that you're on counts as another one. So your number starts accumulating quite quickly. When you get your final number, you're going to convert it to Roman numerals. And it's important to remember to count backwards. Don't count forwards. It's just easier to do it that way. It's especially important to count backwards after the ides because you're starting at the calends of the next month, so you have to kind of work your way backwards. So after ante, because ante is a preposition that takes the accusative, you want accusative case stuff. So your formula is pretty straightforward. First you have AD, then you have Roman numerals, and then you have an accusative day and an accusative month. So I've given you some examples. From our current month, October 2nd happened to be ante diem 6, nonas Octobres. October 8th, ante diem 8, idus Octobres. October 16th, since we're after the ides, we have to go all the way to the calends of the next month. Ante diem 17, calendas Novembres. In September, which is a short month, you see the dates structured a little bit differently, but you're still counting up to the next significant date. Ante diem 4, nonas Septembres, ante diem 8, idus Septembres, and ante diem 18, calendas Octobres. If you're just the day before, if you're like immediately before either the ides or the nones or the calends, you use this word called pridiae, and then you have accusative stuff again, whether it's the day and the month. So examples, September 30th happens to be the day before the calends, so it's pridiae calendas Octobres. October 6th is the day before the the nones, so you have pridiae nonas, and October 14th is the day before the ides, so you have pridiae idus. All right, hope that helped. Go get yourself some extra credit now.